Good morning, folks. Man, nice warm morning. I tell you what, we're here mid or late July, and I'm cooking in the morning outside, guys. We're doing breakfast before it gets hot, because as you know, mid-July it gets pretty warm. So guys, I'm gonna bring you some breakfast burritos. Got some bacon, got some hash browns, got some sausage, egg. We're gonna do it all, and I've never cooked eggs on here, so this should be a treat. Let's get going, guys. We'll get started with some bacon this morning. You guys have seen me cook bacon before, so I ain't gonna bore you with too much of that. You're waiting for that burrito, I know. The Wright's brand bacon, hickory smoked. Probably my favorite store-bought bacon on the planet. Get these guys off of here. Got my gasser lit over here, one burner only. I'm simply going to use this as a warming station. Clean this top off just a bit. I got some of these store-bought potato hash browns I'm gonna put on here. Not gonna do the whole pack because they're more burrito for the burrito than anything. So gonna add some over here. Pretty much pre-cooked, so we're just gonna get them good and warm. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna move these over. My deck here has a slight lean, so grease for my sausage is gonna run this way. Store-bought breakfast sausage. Give these guys a lift here. I'm gonna get good at this griddle one of these days. Guys, our sausage is looking pretty good. We're going to pick it up. Potatoes need to come up a little bit more. If I can do this without making too big of a mess. Look at there. To help these guys along a little bit, I'm gonna cover them up. I think we are there. Let's get these guys off of here. Man, I'm gonna learn how to do this one of these days. A lot of people would kind of blend all of this together. I have grandchildren that are very picky, and I don't know if they're going to eat a burrito or not, so I'm keeping them separated so we can plate them separate if need be. That's my deal here. I'm going to go ahead and heat up a few tortillas here, just to warm them up a little bit. Ain't gonna take but a second here. We've seen these on this griddle before. We're doing some pizzas here recently. Oh yeah, we'll need about a second or two with them. I don't want to get them too crispy. Need to be able to roll them. Alright, I like it. Don't need long. These other two. Goes. I think we're about out of oil on this thing, so here's where Daddy gets nervous. I don't know why. So far, so good. Go for it. Did I almost look like I know what I was doing, guys? Almost. Want just a little pepper. Go inside and make us a breakfast burrito. Alright guys, let's see if we can make a little burrito, not make too big of a mess. Let's go in some of these potatoes. Good job, buddy. Alright, a little sausage here. Try not to make this too big. I'll make everything too big. Coming in with some of this bacon. And a little egg. And I'm not the best burrito roller, but we're gonna give it a shot. Not very graceful. It's not too shabby, is it? Look at that. Mama made up some white gravy, dipping. I'm going to attempt to cut this for you. That. Let's give this a taste. Hey guys, about to run out of battery too. Let's give this the guy a taste here. Just gonna dip it right in the gravy there. It was Mama's idea to put the gravy on the side and dip it. I think it was a great idea. I was going to put it in the burrito. I'm going in for another. And this is my bowl, so I'm double dipping. Guys, this was pretty simple. Didn't really know what I was doing. I just kind of made it up. But this is an awesome breakfast burrito. Give this a try, folks. Guys, thank you so much. I do appreciate you watching each and every week we do this, and I'm just tickled to death to be able to bring you another video each week. If you haven't already, hit that like button and please subscribe if you haven't already. And folks, we will see you next week on Saturday Morning Cooks. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye.